Before we begin, let me ask you a simple question. How long have you been trying to improve your English? Months? Years? Maybe since school? Now imagine this. What if there was one simple trick that could finally unlock fluent, confident English for you? Most people never discover it, but today you will. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Speaker of English channel. Your space to learn smarter, speak confidently, and finally sound natural in English. My name is Daniel, and I'll be your guide today.
And I'm Mia. Hi, everyone. I'm excited for today's topic because, well, honestly, I need help. And if you're watching, I'm guessing you do too.
Exactly. Whether you're watching from home, work, school, or anywhere in the world, you're in the right place. Today's lesson might feel simple, but if you take it seriously, it can change everything.
So, no boring grammar drills today?
Not today. Today is about something more powerful, something most learners never hear about.
Now I'm curious. What is it?
Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll understand why almost every English learner struggles. And more importantly, you'll know exactly how to fix it. We'll get there. But first, let's begin with why so many learners struggle in the first place. Let's start with something painful. Your tongue freezes, your grammar collapses, and suddenly you forget the simplest words like yesterday or hungry.
That happens to me all the time. I think I know English, but when I speak, I sound like a confused robot.
Exactly. And here's the scary part. They learn and forget and fail to improve more than every other group. Why? Because most people learn English the wrong way. They memorize grammar rules, they learn long vocabulary lists, they translate everything in their heads. But fluent English speakers don't do that.
So, what did they do differently?
Good question. And that brings us to the trick. But before I tell you, let me share a short story. A few years ago, I met a man named Hiro from Japan. He had studied English for 12 years. He could read newspapers, pass exams, and write essays. But when speaking, he froze.
Like me?
Exactly. Then one day, something changed. Within 3 months, he was speaking naturally. No translation, no panic. He even started thinking in English.
3 months? What did he do?
He used the simple trick you're about to learn. He stopped studying English and he started training English.
Training English? What's the difference?
Studying English means learning about the language. Think about driving. You don't memorize the manual every time you sit in the car. You practiced until it became automatic. English is the same.
So, how do I train English?
With a method called input plus output looping. Let me break it down. Step 1, input, but in a special way. You listen or read English that is slightly easier than your level. You repeat it daily. You expose yourself to real sentences, not single words. Example, instead of memorizing the word solution, learn the sentence, "We need a solution to this problem." Your brain learns patterns faster than rules. Step 2, output, but in a special way. You take those sentences and speak them aloud. Not once, not twice, but repeatedly until your mouth remembers them.
So, like shadowing?
Yes, shadowing, repeating, mimicking. And cats don't judge unless you try to sing. Step 3, looping. You repeat this cycle every day. Input, output, input, output. Slowly, your brain rewires. English stops being a school subject. It becomes a skill.
But about grammar, don't I need grammar?
Grammar is important, but it's not step 1. Think of grammar as the map, but you can't learn to swim by reading about water. At some point, you must get in the pool. Now, most people hear this method and think, that sounds easy. Why? Because there's one more crucial part. Without it, this trick won't work.
What is it?
Patience. At first, your brain will resist. You will want translation. You will want rules. You'll feel slow and frustrated. This is normal. Fluency doesn't appear suddenly. It grows. Every sentence you repeat builds a new pathway in your brain. Every mistake is progress. Every word spoken aloud increases confidence. Then one day, something surprising happens. You speak without thinking. No translation, no fear. You just communicate.
Wow, that would feel amazing, like finally breaking free.
Exactly. And here's the exciting part. Most learners report visible improvement in 21 to 60 days using this approach. Not perfection, but noticeable confidence and smoother speaking. By the way, if right now you're thinking, I don't have time, remember this. You don't need 3 hours. You need 15 minutes a day. If you scroll social media longer than that, congratulations, you officially have time to become fluent. Practical implementation. Here's how your daily English training can look. Minute 1 to 5, listen to short English content, something understandable. Minute 6 to 10, repeat and shadow sentences aloud. Minute 11 to 15, speak freely using words and structures you practiced. Do this daily. If you miss a day, don't quit. Return the next day. Consistency beats perfection. Final lesson. So now you understand the trick. Stop studying English. Start training English. Use the input-output loop. Stay consistent and patient. Your English will change forever.
This makes so much sense. So, what should I do next?
Your next step is simple. Don't just watch. Train with it. Your future fluent self is waiting. See you in the next video.